To increase your confidence and ability to communicate at a higher level takes practice and a larger and more complex vocabulary of advanced words that have great meaning and can be fun to learn and use. By learning how to use just 3 new words each week, along with their definitions, proper usage, synonyms, antonyms, and variations, will help you improve your correct use of each of them. To easily remember how to use those new words well into the future takes practice, so make sure to use them in conversation as soon and as often as possible. This week's words are inspirational, aspirational, and intricate. Make sure to watch until the end of this video for another unique, crazy, and original fun tongue twister American English practice pronunciation sentence with words that start with the letter C. The first word you can learn how to use this week is inspirational. In-spa-ra-sha-nal. Inspirational. A basic definition of inspirational is when something creates excitement to influence you to want to do something or that inspires an idea about what to do. Examples of inspirational as an adjective when used in a sentence sounds like this. The truthful, reassuring, and inspirational words were motivating to tens of millions of people. She is an inspirational leader who is not afraid of criticism and rhetoric from her opponents. The inspirational video promoted health and well-being through example and truthful testimony. Another form of inspirational that is also an adjective is inspired. When used in a sentence, inspired sounds like this. The coach's words inspired a great performance from his team. The new discovery inspired the archaeologists to expand their efforts to find more artifacts to prove that the stories of the lost civilization were true. There are many synonyms or similar words for inspirational. Some of these synonyms are motivational, stimulating, encouraging, persuasive, powerful, and magnificent. There are also many antonyms or opposites for inspirational. Some of these antonyms are boring, dull, flat, insignificant, disappointing, and banal. Other word forms from inspirational are inspiration and inspire. When inspiration, a noun, is used in a sentence, it sounds like this. He provided the inspiration that made it possible for so many people to overcome the challenges of the situation. It takes a considerable amount of inspiration to stay positive when everything around you is trying to hold you back from success. When inspire, a verb, is used in a sentence, it sounds like this. The information from their teacher was enough to inspire the students to pause and think before spreading possible rumors and lies. The photos of the beautiful ocean beach was enough to inspire thousands of people to go there for winter vacation. The second word to learn to use this week is aspirational. 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 A basic definition of aspirational is to be ambitious, desiring or wanting very much to achieve success in your career, to improve your social status and/or your standard of living. Examples of aspirational as an adjective when used in a sentence sounds like this. I want to help you achieve higher levels of success by continuing to produce aspirational videos that provide proven methods and techniques that work. You could feel the enthusiasm and aspirational motivation to start in their new careers as soon as possible. The movie was created from an aspirational aspect to show that people who work on self-improvement are much happier in life. There are many synonyms or similar words for aspirational. Some of these synonyms are eager, hopeful, driven, ambitious, goal-oriented, and ardent. There are a few antonyms or opposites for aspirational. These antonyms are lazy, unaspiring, unambitious, indifference, lethargy, and apathetic. Other word forms from aspirational are aspire and aspiration. When aspiration, a noun, is used in a sentence, it sounds like this. The architect had an aspiration to change the city's skyline to flow with the silhouette of the nearby mountains. My aspiration is to create memorable videos that teach, inform, and help people reach higher levels of success. When aspire, a verb, is used in a sentence, it sounds like this. The teacher assigned the students to write an essay about the career that they wanted to aspire to be in the future. Whether you aspire to be rich and famous or just live a normal life is usually just a matter of choice. The third word you can learn to use this week is intricate. 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 A basic definition of intricate is something that has many different complex parts and small details that are fitted together. Examples of intricate as an adjective when used in a sentence sounds like this. The intricate piece of jewelry was created from a tightly woven mesh of twisted gold and silver into a beautiful work of art. The book was so well written with an amazing and intricate storyline that it made it hard to put down until the end. The antique piece of furniture was a one of a kind that was crafted with an intricate combination of rare woods, beautiful natural stone, and inlaid pearl. There are many synonyms or similar words for intricate. Some of these synonyms are complex, elaborate, complicated, tangled, sophisticated, and perplexing. There are also many antonyms or opposites for intricate. Some of these antonyms are basic, simple, plain, obvious, modest, and uncomplicated. Other word forms from intricate are intricacy and intricately. When intricacy, a noun, is used in a sentence, it sounds like this. To explain the intricacy of how some weather tracking models work can be very difficult. The intricacy of the building's design made it a favorite tourist location. When intricately, an adverb is used in a sentence, it sounds like this. The diamonds were intricately set in the priceless necklace. The massive garden was intricately designed around the natural ponds and streams of the park. To combine all three words, inspirational, aspirational, and intricate, into one sentence sounds like this. The Intricate and Inspirational program can help many people with aspirational dreams to succeed by teaching them how to overcome procrastination and develop higher levels of motivation. To improve on your correct use of any new words, make sure to use them in conversation as soon and as often as possible. Leave a comment below on which of these three words, inspirational, aspirational, and intricate, is your favorite. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up to show your support. Ding that notification bell to be alerted when the next video is released. And share this video with your friends so you have someone to practice with in increasing your vocabulary and communication skills. Here's this week's unique, fun, and original tongue twister pronunciation practice sentence that will help improve pronunciation, articulation, and fluency in your speech. Claustrophobic, conniving, contemptuous cooks can confuse confounding complex conundrums, calculating cohesive cognizant contraptions, conserving classified characteristics. Have a crazy time with that one, and remember that my consistent goal is that your collective success is the clever goal. I'll see you online soon.